Students, now we are going to do the experiment by using vernier caliper. Determination of diameter of a small spherical body by using vernier caliper. So this is a tabulation. Okay, so the least count must be written in the left side 0.01 centimeter for vernier caliper. Then the zero error and zero correction. Now we are going to calculate for the given vernier caliper. So in your laboratory, so the teacher will provide the vernier caliper to you. Once you receive the vernier caliper, you take the vernier caliper and join the two jaws and join these two jaws together. Now you note down the what is the vernier scale first division and main scale first division coincides. So the vernier scale first division and main scale first division are exactly coincide with each other. Then what is this error? So I will recall you students, if it is exactly coincide means that is the zero error. If the first division of the vernier scale comes to right side means positive error. If the first division of the vernier scale is coincide on the left side of the main scale division means negative error. So fortunately, there is no error. The zero of the vernier scale is exactly coincide with the zero of the main scale. So the error is nil. So if the error is nil means the correction is also nil. That means whatever we are calculated measured by using the vernier caliper is exactly correct value. There is no error in this vernier caliper. Yes, dear students, now fix the given spherical body, that is the plastic ball, in the lower jaw of the vernier caliper. Now you observe that what is the main scale reading. So in the tabulation they are given main scale reading. Main scale reading means the zero of the vernier scale. The zero of the vernier scale exactly coincide with some division in the main scale. So let us see that. Are you able to see clearly? So I will show you. Yes, it is clear. So dear students, again I will show you. So are you able to, I hope that you are able to see the lines clearly. So this is the 0 exactly coincide with 6.2. So this is the 0. Okay, this 0 is exactly coincide with 6.2. So the main scale reading is 6.2 centimeter. Then vernier scale reading means now you have to observe one by one clearly which vernier scale division is exactly coincide with any one of the main scale division. You see the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. It is not exactly clear. So I say that it is the second division. The vernier scale second division is exactly coincide with the 6.4. Don't worry about the 6.4 or 6.5. Our ultimate goal is which one? This second division. So Vernier's second division is exactly coincide with the main scale. Any one division in the main scale. So I will write it is a 2. Then what is the observed reading? OR means observed reading. Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. So these calculations don't do in the tabular column itself. For explanation purpose I will going to. So this calculation you have to do it in the calculation part only. So what is the MSR value? So I will show you very clearly. Yes, listen. In calculation part you have to write. So observed reading OR is equal to main scale reading. Which one is the main scale reading? 6.2 plus what is the vernier scale division? Vernier scale division is 2 into what is the least count? Least count is a 0.01. So 0.01 centimeter. So the answer is 6.2 plus 0.02 centimeter. What is the answer? Yes, very good. The answer is 6.22. So if you add that, what is that? 6.22 centimeter. So you have to write the observed reading. The observed reading is equal to this calculation. You should do it in the separate calculation part page, not in the inside the tabular column. So that is equal to 6.22. Then the total reading. So total reading means observed reading plus or minus zero correction. Here the zero error and zero correction are nil. So the observed reading and zero total reading are same. So the same value you have to do that. Then again you have to enter the second reading. Third reading. At least you have to take 5 readings. So 2, 3, 4, 5 readings. So what you have to do that? Take the same ball and fix it in the different position. So if you place it in the different position, the vernier scale, the main scale reading will comes in the same value. Only the VSD value only differs. If the VSD value differs means 6 point as it is, but the decimal value only changes. Here also the decimal value only changes. Then finally you have to put mean value. This mean value is equal to 6.22. For example, it is 6.22 into 10 power minus 2 meter, because it is in centimeter. You have to convert in meter. So this is the experiment to determine the diameter of the given small spherical body using vernier caliper, because we are calculated the total diameter of this spherical body using vernier caliper by fix it in the lower jaw of the vernier caliper. So I will show you, give all the materials, how to write in the record notes and everything. Thank you, students. Again you have to see that. So if you have the positive error, what you have to do that? Minus sign will come. Then from the observed reading, you have to subtract this observed reading with the zero correction. For example, if I take that, for example, if you assume that the zero error is positive 5, then what will be a zero correction? It will be negative 0.05. So if it is a negative 0.05 means, what is this value will come? So it is a 6.22. You have to minus 0.05. So minus 0.05 means 6.17. I think correct. Yes. So this is a positive error. If it is a positive error come like this means the total reading will be like this. What you are measured is greater than the actual value, but the actual value is 6.17. But this vernier caliper will measure 6.22 if it is as a positive error plus 5. If the error is minus 4, what you are seeing in the example. So minus 4 means what we here we will get plus 0.06. Watch this previous video very clearly. So then what we have to do that? The answer is 6 point. If the negative error, if the vernier caliper has a negative error means this green color will come. If this vernier caliper will have the positive error means this red color will come. If there is a no error means blue color line, what you are like that? The answer is 6.22 only. This is no error. This is no error vernier caliper. This is positive error vernier caliper. If the error is negative means you have to add 0.06, that is 6.28. That is a positive, sorry, this is positive error, this is negative error. Negative error solution. So I will show you how the different errors will come means how to calculate the total reading also. Don't confuse. Mostly in our lab the vernier caliper has no error. So you have to use only nil error. If it is you found that there is a positive error or negative error, that also you are able to clearly calculate it by using the above mentioned procedures. Thank you, students.